Well, what's going on, guys? We're back doing, you're not gonna believe this, guys, more autocross. Who would have thunk it? But yeah, no, we're back at the local autocross once again with the Operation Autocross folks who host these events in my local area. Super cool. Doing some autocross to start off the season. I'm happy to say this event went pretty smooth and it was actually a lot of fun. We got a decent amount of seat time, decent amount of runs. Now, with that said, there are some changes since the last time to our favorite car, the Smurf, the R32 GTR. You guys know it. You guys seen it in previous videos. If this is your first video being introduced to me, I drive a 1992 Nissan Skyline GTR. Had it for a long time. Used to do Gymkhana back in Japan, and now I use it for freaking road course, time attack, track days, and a lot of autocross. So since the last time you guys saw the car, we've had some changes, a little bit of upgrades, if you will. We used to be on a Haltech Platinum Pro ECU, and it worked for what it was. It didn't have a lot of the features and safeties that I would have liked out of it, and also the software for it's really old, and it's just an older ECU. And a lot of people have been telling me, a lot of tuners that I've met have been recommending that I just upgrade to a newer unit. So we've gone ahead, we have gotten rid of the Haltech Platinum Pro ECU in favor of the Haltech Nexus plug-in ECU for the GTR. Guys over at TK AutoWorks who have been doing a lot of the work on my GTR since I've moved here, and they've been great guys. They've been just making sure my car runs good and been setting it up. So we have now retuned it. Its car's been tuned. We also got rid of the old two-piece drive shaft. The U-joint and stuff was all completely blown out, and it was actually not looking too good. It was in actually pretty bad shape. So we went ahead, got rid of that bad boy, and put in a drive shaft shop, aluminum one-piece drive shaft to replace it. And that's actually something I do need to mention. As you guys watch the video, you'll probably hear a rattling noise when I accelerate in a lower gear, like first gear. That noise is actually the drive shaft clipping something in the transmission tunnel. So I just need to look into it. But otherwise, car's been running phenomenally. Last driver excuse, that this day I was actually battling a shoulder injury that I thought was better, but as soon as I started driving, realized it was not better. So you'll probably hear me complain about it. That's what it was. It was immense pain. Without further ado, y'all know the drill.
Yours when you're ready. My shoulder, man, it's
Stop!
killing me.
Stop!
Mustang out there. figure it out.
Okay. My drive shaft, I have a drive shaft shop drive shaft, and it's bouncing off of something. That's what that rattling is when I'm accelerating. Where was it at?
I don't know, where'd it go?
I wish I got a picture of you driving up that way.
I actually remembered to grab a picture of the times. Actually, I lied. I totally forgot to take a picture of the timesheet and instead had the organizer send it to me. And it was actually a pretty competitive day. There's a couple of really fast drivers out there, and one of the most notable ones was actually the fastest driver of the day. is the guy that comes out to these events all the time. He is super fast. He drives a gray ND Miata with a K swap in it. Made for really good racing. Unfortunately, could not beat him out. He ended up being the better driver in the end. But that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of on screen put up some of the times. I'll try to highlight the fastest times and who was what, and so you guys get an idea of what it was like. But yeah, it was an awesome day. Car ran phenomenally. Like I said, drive shaft issue with some clearance issues, but we'll get that sorted here soon. I was once again joined by Nattiegeo over on Twitch. This was her second event. I think I mentioned her in the last video, but I'll leave her Twitch down below. I'm sure she will be coming out with a video here soon, showcasing her first initial experiences getting into the motorsports world. We'll check her out on Twitch. She makes very fun content. And but for now, that's all I have for you guys. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Remember to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys like to see. Bye bye.